Hey, I'm Sampath. You're watching Sampath FX. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to review this Redmi SonicBass wireless Bluetooth earphones, and I'm using this from past 1 month and more. Like this, its build quality it's average build quality. I mean, in this price point, I got it for just 999 rupees, and it's currently available for 1299. And this is the magnetic thing they have given, but nothing functions are assigned for this. No functions are assigned for this, just to hold like, and everything. Buttons are given right side, and they also mentioned left and right, and this is right side, and there are 3 buttons. One is power on off button, and this is the button used for multi-purpose, like pausing the song or playing again and resuming it, and these are the volume plus and minus. That's it, no more functions for this. And you can wear like this. It's super light, nothing like irritating or like that, it's fine. And these are the magnetic things, and these rubber tips are like, I have changed it before it was falling down, so they will provide 3 other tips. If you want to see full in overview, means you can see in the unboxing video. This is review. Let's do the review of this. And as you can see, it won't come outside, and these are nice miss in this price bracket. These are nice, and rubber tip are given. They are smooth. I did not get any pain or anything like that. Since it's a rubber, it's okay. And this quality is made up of plastic. If it would have made with metal, it would have been better. And they have even given the microphone, and they mentioned here 120 mAh battery and 0.44 watt per hour. I mean, it takes around 2 hours to charge this 144 mAh battery, and I got like 7 to 8 hours of music playback or calling. I mostly use for taking calls. And this is the construction of this earphone. These are nice, flexible also. It will be useful for everyone. Now coming to the sound quality, which is main important thing. Since it is Bluetooth earphones, its price is 999 or 1299. They even clearly mentioned on the box also that is a SonicBass wireless earphones, Redmi. And yes, it have some kind of bass if the song has that bass, but sometimes in some instruments, like, they don't produce bass like that. I hear it's having bass, but not completely like we see in the wired earphones. Like that, I never got bass, but okay for few people, not for everyone. And coming to the sound quality also, it's pretty average, not great or not even bad also. It's okay, but anyhow, considering the price point of 999, it's okay. I don't recommend to buy for music lovers. You can buy wired earphones, or even I'm going to review very soon some other earphones, Bluetooth one. So stay tuned to my channel, and also if you are still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button and allow the notifications so that you will get similar kind of videos. And also, if you like this video, like it. And coming to this sound quality, I have explained it. And this kind of average music, the average sound quality, I got it from this earphones. It's okay, not great or bad. So if you are someone who want to listen like devotional songs like that, it's okay. But if you want that high bass, enhanced bass songs, or the music lover, they definitely don't like it. And coming to the calling, that there I was surprised that this is good for calling. I mean, those who work in indoors like this, like offices or any supermarkets, they can use this for taking calls, and they can carry their work. For them, this is useful. Like, it's super cheap. You will get many other also, but if you want cheaper one, this is only available for 999. I mean, in the offers. And in that respect, these are good for taking calls. Yes, and these will go like, since these are in-ear type, you will get kind of noise cancellation, but anyhow it's not active noise cancellation or like that in this price point. Okay, anyhow these are okay-ish earphones. Someone who are looking for Bluetooth earphones in ultra budget, then they can look out, but I don't recommend this. And one more thing important is like online gaming or online streaming, you may notice some lip sync. Since they are budget type, you may notice that lip sync, I mean latency, is not super low, okay-ish type. So that's all for calls and purpose like music listening. Okay, that's all, and that's it from this video. If you like this video, give a like and share this kind of videos to your friends, family members who are looking for this kind of videos. So meet you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.